Looking for the perfect acoustic electric guitar that won't break the bank? Finding the right instrument can be tough, especially with so many options available. But don't worry, we've done the research for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best acoustic electric guitars under $500. We'll explore guitars that offer excellent playability, sound quality, and features, all without emptying your wallet. Whether you're a beginner just starting your musical journey, or a seasoned player looking for a solid backup guitar for gigs or travel, we've got you covered. We've carefully selected these guitars to cater to a range of skill levels and playing styles. Each guitar offers something unique, so you're sure to find one that fits your needs. At number 5, we have the Glarry Acoustic Electric Guitar with Distressed Finish, perfect for players looking for something unique and stylish. This guitar stands out from the crowd with its eye-catching vintage aesthetic. It's a full-size 41-inch guitar, making it great for beginners. The larger size provides a comfortable playing experience and a full resonant sound. Sliding in at number 4, the Fender Dreadnought with access to the Fender Play instructional app. This is a fantastic option for beginners or those returning to guitar after some time away. The Fender Play app offers a structured learning path with interactive lessons, making it easier than ever to learn chords and songs. It sounds great unplugged, offering a warm and balanced tone, and even better amplified, providing plenty of volume for practice or performance. At number 3, the Donner Acoustic Electric Guitar Kit. Amazing value for intermediate players. This kit is packed with everything you need to get started, or to upgrade your current setup. It features a spruce top, which is known for its bright and clear tone, a built-in tuner for easy and accurate tuning, and comes with a full accessory kit, including a mini amp, gig bag, strap, and picks. Striding in at number 2, the Fender Dreadnought Acoustic Electric Bundle, perfect starter kit for anyone eager to begin their musical journey. This comprehensive package includes a gig bag to protect your instrument, a tuner to keep you in tune, a strap for comfortable playing, and picks to get you strumming. The onboard electronics let you plug in and play anywhere, whether you're practicing at home or performing on stage. And claiming our number 1 spot, the Yamaha FG800J. This guitar has earned its place at the top of our list. Known for its rich tone and solid spruce top, this Dreadnought is a favorite among beginners and pros alike. The solid top enhances the guitar's resonance and projection, resulting in a full and vibrant sound. Yamaha's build quality is unmatched, ensuring that this guitar will last for years to come. These 5 guitars deliver serious value under $500. Each one offers a unique blend of features, playability, and sound quality. Let me know which one you're picking in the comments. I'm curious to hear which guitar resonates with you the most. Like the video if you found this countdown helpful, subscribe for more gear reviews, and be sure to check those links in the description before prices change.